Howdy folks, and welcome to Tombstone territory. This is a short little video of my tour of the old town of Tombstone, Arizona. Hope you enjoy the journey.
Right here in the world famous O K Corral. Last chance to see the gunfight today. 4:30 show right here in these doors. The O K Corral. You guys get it back. 4:30 inside the O K Corral.
Stagecoach ride. Howdy, partner.
Well, I like PT Jack, but not loving the hat.
I know what you mean. I left my cowboy hat in the RV.
How y'all doing? Y'all be here 6 o'clock?
There's the marshal of Tombstone.
What's that?
Gunfight folks, we're gonna head on in. We're in the O K Corral in half an hour. How's it going today?
How's it going? Gunfight at the O K Corral with Wyatt and Mark Holiday. Some of the old saddles used in the area. An old buggy. Very good shape. And an old hearse. Hopefully it wasn't used very often, but I'm sure it was. Killed in the O K Corral gunfight. The final dressed bodies of Tom McLary, Frank McLary, and Bill Clampton displayed in Tombstone Funeral Parlor window on October 27th, 1881.
Up your hands, boys. We're here for your guns. Oh, I don't want that. Wait! Don't even fire! Come on! Well, Doc, I got you in here. Easy if you do. Leave me alone.
Yeah, old it began. The books will say 30 shots in 30 seconds, but I wasn't counting. Neither was you. 2 months after this gunfight happened, Virgil was ambushed outside the Crystal Palace Saloon. 3 shotguns went off, but he still refused to die. Tripled up pretty bad. Birds won to the west, but that finally caught up with him in Nevada in 1905. Not as lucky as Wyatt's brother Morgan. Morgan was shot in the back while playing a game of billiards up on Allen Street. Morgan died at midnight, March 19th, 1882. His brother Wyatt's birthday. In 1887, the innocent town began to shake apart, and 2 main causes of the shootout died, hundreds of miles apart from each other. That summer put together a new gang up in northern Arizona. Ike Clanton was shot and killed by a mail-order detective. Not long after that, a lifetime in drinking, tuberculosis, and bad decisions caught up with yours truly up in Colorado. I don't care to talk about it. Wyatt was the last the rest of his days traveling. He went from Idaho to Alaska, finally ended up in Jazz Age Hollywood, looking for another Tombstone and a chance to get it right. He never did find it. When he died in 1929 at the age of 80, his last words, suppose. And that, folks, is our show. We sure hope you liked it.
I ran into the marshals after the gunfight, and they told me a desperado had escaped the jail and to be on the lookout. Well, near the end of this video, I got 3 photos of him. Hope you'll check them out and leave a comment below which photo you like the best. And that's the one we'll put on the wanted poster and circulate it around town. The city marshal, Virgil Earp, was ambushed and crippled for life as a result of the Earp-Clanton gunfight on December 28, 1881.
Back up. I gotta get another. Okay, go ahead. I'm gonna grab his butt again, he says.
It's like the sun's going down. See lots of interesting characters here in town. They do have a city ghost tour that starts at 6 p.m. tonight. In case you're traveling through this area and you're interested in that. Fallen Angel Sweet Sin Parlor. There's the Birdcage Theater. And T. Miller's Tombstone Mercantile and Hotel. I guess it's the new horse of the day. Guys biking through town. Well, folks, coming up is the mugshot photos I took of that desperado that escaped the jail. Pick photo number 1 or photo number 2, and the photo number 3, and let us know which one in the comment section you want us to put on the wanted poster so we can capture that desperado. Y'all come on back now, you hear, and hope you enjoy the journey. If you got any further comments, just leave them below the video and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great day.